Top 10 most colorful birds in the world. 1. Scarlet macaw, bright red, yellow, and blue plumage. 2. Peacock, iridescent blue and green feathers. 3. Rainbow lorikeet, vibrant rainbow-colored plumage. 4. Resplendent quetzal, brilliant green and red with long tail. 5. Mandarin duckout striking multicolored feathers. 6. Gouldian finch, brightly colored with various shades. 7. Lilac-breasted roller, beautiful mix of lilac and turquoise. 8. Wilson's bird of paradise, vivid colors with striking patterns. 9. Painted bunting, bright blue, green, and red feathers. 10. Keel-billed toucan, bright bill with multicolored body.